Hello everyone. So today I am trying a very different approach. It will be a Dutch pour, um, but I plan to use apple barrel white matte paint as a base right here, and then as you can see I drew a heart right here, and so the heart boundary will be Dutch pour. Let's see what will happen.
So one thing I would like to mention here is that the technique I'll be using in today's video is actually developed by another talented artist. Her name is Amanda Currie. Not sure if I'll be able to replicate what she does, but let's see. I will provide link to her channel in the description below so you can see her art yourself. I hope you like today's piece. If you do, consider subscribing to the channel, as honestly, that is a true inspiration for any artist. So, thank you for being here. Please enjoy the rest of the video and let me know which of the two hearts did you like. Yeah, you will see two hearts. I'm gonna make two different hearts today. Um, Once again, thank you very much and enjoy the rest of the video. So here's the final version of second heart. I like the explosion of colors in this heart. Um, so I like both of them. But do let me know which one do you like, first or second. I will show you the dried results in the end. So if you're still with me, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. So here's the dried result. Um, I'm not sure my camera is doing the justice to capture the vibrancy of both canvases, but they're shining really bright. And the gold and the shimmer of copper, if you look at it a different angle, you can see it. So it's really beautiful.